I'll be using foam for Tengen's Nichirin blades. And here we have all the 4 sections that will form the blade. Before gluing them together, I'm gonna paint them. I do it now because it just makes it a little easier. Now I glue the black piece on top like this, on both sides. Now that that's done, let's glue the stick in. I'm gonna be gluing it right about here, which is almost the middle. And for some extra support, since the blade is pretty wide, 2 small sticks here and here. Now I'm gonna glue the other side right on. And this will be our suba for Tengen's Nichirin blades. Just these 2 pieces. Glue them together, wrap them in newspaper, and paint. The handle, just like always, we'll be using this red bias tape to wrap the handle with. I'm just gonna fold the bias tape in half and then start gluing it to the handle like this. Just remember to paint the handle first. I went with Kelly Green, which I believe turned out to be a pretty nice color. I will be leaving an inch of space on both ends of the handle for the cap and for some other details. And to make the design for the habaki, just try and follow what I do, but I'm sure there are other videos out there that show you how to do this in more detail. This is how it should be looking like. And like I said, we won't be going all the way down. And here, I'll finish the wrapping like this to leave some space for the cap. Now we're gonna place the collar on that top side inch of space that I left on the handle. And this is the cap I'm going to be using. I left a small hole just in case you want to add the chains to it. Now it's time to put everything together. Now all you have to do is repeat the process to make the other Nichirin sword to get your pair of Tengen Nichirin swords. And that's it for the video. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful or just enjoyed the video, leave a like and subscribe for more Demon Slayer props in the future. Bye.